We are in the Hamptons of Palmer Ranch, that is, and I have a beautiful 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home, immaculate, really nicely upgraded property. It shows very, very well right here on the lake. The address is 6240 Donnington Court, Sarasota, Florida. Please stay tuned as we give you a tour through this wonderful house. First and foremost, real estate's all about location, and this location is pretty great. It's in Palmer Ranch, like I said, and Palmer Ranch is a master plan community, but without the CDD fees like Lakewood Ranch. So it's the smaller, greater master plan community sister to Lakewood Ranch, and Lakewood Ranch is the largest. So we're further south here. What's nice about Palmer Ranch is we're really close to Siesta Key, and really when you get to Clark Road, which is close to here, but you don't hear Clark Road, which is a busy thoroughfare, you're not far from downtown, and so you've really got easy access to the beaches, Siesta Key, #1 beach in the country, the interstate. So if you do have to commute, it's all right here. And it's really designed to have, shopping and everything within a short drive, like a 15-minute drive. So Palmer Ranch is great. One of the things about the Hamptons, which is wonderful, it's a natural gas community. And I just sold one here not too far from this property not too long ago in a natural gas community down in the ranch here. And I can't tell you how great that is. People that love to cook, love natural gas, and also it's great for your overall operations of the home, the cost of the home. It keeps the cost down and everything. As you'll notice here, we've got a tile roof. This is built in 1999, but because of all the updates they've done to the house, the effective year is actually 2017. So you're built 1999, but because of all the great upgrades that I'll show you inside, it's a really improved home. And what you'll notice too is the much desired split plan layout. So you've got the 2 bedrooms on one side, the den, and then the master, well, we're supposed to say primary bedroom now, right? The primary bedroom is really spacious, has a nice, large, deep California built-in closet, the dual sinks, the quartz cabinet, the quartz countertops, and the little LED built-in mirrors that we love so much. There's a lot of natural light in the property. All of the openings of the home, the windows, the sliders, the doors, everything has hurricane shutters. So we're in a location that, by the way, is not a flood zone. So we're not in a very hurricane prone area, but of course, not only for insurance reasons, but for safety reasons, we do have the hurricane shutters, and these are the clear corrugated, so it's not so dark like the aluminum, so you will have some light coming through. And this is just in case of a hurricane, right? If we have a named storm, we do have that, and it's also, like I said, great for insurance reasons. The insurance is reasonable here as well, and the kitchen was really lovely. It's very updated, granite countertop. Notice the tile work, the backsplash tile, intricate little design. And also, on the in the eat-in kitchen area there, a lot of times people just put drywall. They have this really lovely, intricate design tile work that resembles the backsplash to go with it, and I think it just is so beautiful, and it keeps it clean and easy to maintain. We have a nice laundry room with a utility sink, and I could keep going. There's a huge lanai in the back facing the lake, so you're right here on the lake, which we love. I think it's just a really pleasant location, pleasant home, and it's just one of those properties that you walk into that is just so well taken care of. They do maintain their lawn and landscape as owners here, and it's very well cared for. Again, we've got a nice tree-lined street outside, very welcoming. There's no gate. There is a community pool, which we love. So this, although it doesn't have a pool, if you really wanted to, we could get one in the back here. So if that's a sticking point, we could fit one in the back, but it does not include it. But you're also not paying for the maintenance of a pool. So you can just go right down to the community center where there is a community pool, which is really, really great. especially if you have guests and you're entertaining or whatever. So I can't say enough great things about this 4-bedroom home. Again, it's 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom, just over 2,600 square feet. We are offering this at $779,900. And again, it's 6240 Donnington Court, Sarasota, Florida, 34238. And again, just this will be a pleasure to show and to sell. I didn't mention the high ceilings, the fans, just there's so many great things. I could keep going. 2-car garage, of course. So inquire with me. I'd be happy to set up your private viewing. Call if you have any questions about this. Again, happy to show it. My cell number is 941-544-7690. And if you prefer email, it's shaylatwit@gmail.com.